What kinds of questions should you be asking a potential mortgage lender when you're looking for a home loan? Hey everyone, it's Mortgage Melon. It's time for today's Mortgage Minute. When you're looking at a company, what kinds of loans do they offer? Should be one of the first questions that you have. So we have different kinds of loans. There is a conventional loan, FHA, USDA. There are home equity lines of credit. There are different ways to refinance. So, for example, cash out refinance, or what's called a rate and term refinance, where you're just trying to get a better rate. So, lots and lots of different kinds of loans. So, each one might have different requirements and also different rules that go along with it. And you're also going to find that different lenders have different things that they offer. They may specialize in specific types of loans and not carry others as well. So let's go through some of those basics. So a conventional loan is probably the most common kind of loan. Usually lenders have a minimum credit score. So it might be a 620 or it might be 640 and above. And with conventional loans, if you have a lower credit score, it's not as good of a deal for you because there is mortgage insurance, and that mortgage insurance can be kind of high if you have a lower credit score. In those cases, I might take a look at FHA. That's the Federal Housing Administration that offers through HUD a program which is more of a high risk pool. So everybody puts in a funding fee at the beginning. Or what's called upfront mortgage insurance. And also you pay mortgage insurance each month, and typically it's for the life of the loan. Now, FHA does have one caveat that they've added. If you put over 10% down, then there's a limitation, but under 10%, that mortgage insurance is going to last for the life of the loan. So until you refinance or you pay the whole thing off, it's going to be. Then there's USDA. This is also a government-backed loan, and that is based on rural development. So when we look up the maps on USDA's website, it will show us whether or not an area is acceptable or not for a USDA loan. And it's typically outside of city limits by quite a bit in rural areas where they will allow those loans. And then there are VA loans. So VA loans are for our veterans and can be a really, really great deal with as little as 0% down, like nothing. But there is a funding fee for a VA loan. So we'll go through in more depth in different videos with each type, but that's one of the first things that you should be asking a potential lender is what types of loans do you offer and what might be the best fit for me? So today we talked about different kinds of loans, and that's a really important question to ask a potential lender. It's important not only that you feel comfortable with what the company offers, but also feel like you can trust your loan officer because you're going to be giving them your financial information. You want to feel that it's respected and well cared for. Now, loan officers are required by law to keep your information completely confidential. So rest assured, our license depends on us being respectful. But you do want to feel really comfortable with that person as well. So it makes sense to call a couple of different people and see who you maybe mesh with better because you're going to be really good friends with them for a while until you find a house and also while you work on your loan. I hope this makes sense. If you like this content, give me a like and a follow and have a wonderful day.